Hello friends, welcome to today's session. In this video, we will cover how to use PySpark in Google Colab. So Google Colab is a online Jupyter notebook kind of framework where we can run the code either in Python or else you can use R language as well or else you can use Julia as well. And it also provides us with the different types of hardware accelerators where you can use CPU or else GPU or else even a TPU, and this comes handy when we are using or when we are trying to implement a project related to AI and ML. And for installing PySpark we need to accomplish 4 steps. These are all the 4 steps. So the first one is to download and install the required dependencies and the packages. And let me first start it. So it will take a few minutes. So the first line is to install the JDK. Since Spark runs over JVM, we need to install Java JDK, and here we are installing the version 8. And the next line is downloading the Spark version that we are looking for, and here I am installing 3.5.1. If you wanted to use any other versions, any other latest versions, so you can navigate to this URL and check what are all the versions that are available. It is available from Spark 0 till Spark 4.1, so you can switch to whatever versions that is comfortable. And the third line is once the file is downloaded, we need to untar the file. So the third line is to untar the file that is being downloaded. And the fourth one is the dependency for PySpark, which is a find Spark package, which will help us in locating the Spark package. Yes, it got completed. It took around 2 minutes to install the PySpark packages. As a next step, we need to set up the environment variable. Let me walk over those steps. So let us first run the ls command to check what are all the things that is available. So you can see I have run it twice, so that's why it is available dot one. So but you can see this is the tar file and this is the unzipped file, and what is the location of the current file is slash content. So for setting up this os dot environment and spark home, we are using slash content slash spark 3.5.1 bin hadoop 3. So this is the spark home, and java home will be by default, it will be user lib under that jvm, and you can use this path directly so that the environment variable will be set. So let me run this. So it is completed. And now as a next step, we need to import the Spark session. I import and create a Spark session. In Databricks, we don't need to create any Spark sessions. By default, it will be available since it is a standalone cluster. But here you need to initiate the Spark session. And this is how we will initiate the Spark session. We will be using a SparkSession.builder.master. We can use yarn or else a local mode and create a cluster. So this is how we will create it. Let me run this and show the version that has been installed. So it will show the version, and also it will show the master as well. So you can see the Spark UI URL as well as the version. So version 3.5.1 and the master as local and the application name as well as PySpark shell. So now the setup is ready. Let us try executing few examples to understand whether the setup is complete or not. So here I am creating a small data frame which will include a Spark.range of 0 to 10. I am creating 10 records with some values in it. So let me run it. And let me also show it, df.show. In Databricks, we do have df.display, which will give us a table-like feel. But here we can't use that. And if you wanted it similar to a table, you can use df.limit, which will give you in a table fashion. So this will be very useful. So this is what I had for today's video. I will share this entire notebook link in the description. You can go ahead and try it in your own machine. Let me know if you face any issues while installing the PySpark in Google Colab. I'm happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content.